Hello everybody, welcome to this session. Today we are going to work out the exercise number 6 or the 6th exercise from page 14 of book Excel or Pearson company. In this session we work out exercise 6 is about significant figure and decimal places. It is sorted from question number 1 to question number 16. It means when we work out all of this 16 question, but the last 4 question is a word problem. It's a little bit complicated and also interested, so keep watching to the end of the video. Before starting our lesson, please like my video, and if you are a new viewer, please subscribe to the channel to do not miss the future of video. Let's get started. Here we have a key point. I should memorize or learn this one, or be careful about this 3 significant point. Here we have the first significant figure is the first non-zero digit in the number, counting from left point to for decimal places, count after decimal point, going from left to right. If the next number is greater than or equal to 5, then round up. So we work the example and explain all of these 3 key points in the example. Okay, question number 1 said write to correct one significant figure. So we should actually correct one significant figure. If we write here count from left to right, here we have 7. The second significant figure is 8. 8 is larger than 5, so we ignore from 8 and we round up. The 7 become 8. It's actually equal to 8. The rest of the number is 0. It means 783 is closer to 800. It's one significant figure. Question number 2 as well. We count from left to right. Here we have 8. The second one is or the second significant figure is 7. 7 is as well larger than 5. We round up. 8 become 9. The rest of the numbers become 0, 0, 0, and also we have 4, 0. It means it is 7,602 is closer to 90,000. As well, it is corrected to one significant figure. Question number 3. Write correct to 3 significant figure. So here we count from left to right, 1, 2, 3 significant, and we face with 8. 8 is as well larger than 5, so we round up. 3 become 4. We write here 3, 7. Instead of this 3, we write 4, 0. It means 3,738 is closer to 3,740 with 3 significant figure. Question number 4 and question number 4 as well. Write correct to 3 significant. We count from left to right, 1, 2, 3. We face with 9. 9 is larger than 5, so we round up. 2 become 3. We write here 8, 0. Instead of this 2, we write 3. The rest of these 2 numbers is 0. It means 80,290 is closer to 80,300. Here 3 significant figure. Question number 5. Write correct to 2 significant figure. We write here we count 2 digits from left to right. As well, we face with 9. 9 is larger than 5. So we round up. 3 become 4. It's equal to 0. This 3 become as well 4, 4, and then instead of 9 we write here 0. It is 3 significant figure as well. Question number 6 as well, we count from left to right, 1, 2, and the second one is, or the third one is 5. 5 is equal to 5, so we round up the second significant figure. 5 becomes 6. It's equal to 0.560. It is as well corrected to 3 significant figure. Question number 7. Write correct to 3 significant figure. This same as previous. We count from left to right, 1, 2, 3. Now, of course, the significant figure is the non-zero digit. We do not count this number. So here the fourth one is actually 7. 7 is larger than 5, so we round up. This 5 becomes 6. It's equal to 0.50. 5 become 6. This is corrected to 3 significant figure. Question number 8 as well, we count from left to right, 1, 2, 3. Of course, 3 non-zero digit. We do not count the 0. So here we face with 5. 5 is equal to 5. Here we actually round up 4 become 5. It's equal to 0.105. It's corrected to 3 significant figure. Question number 9. In question number 9 as well, write correct to 2 decimal places. So here we count from decimal place after decimal point, 1, 2, and we face with 7. 7 is actually larger than 5, so we round up, and this the second 7 become 8. It's equal to 34.78. It's corrected to 2 decimal places. Question number 10, we count from left to right as well, 1, 2 decimal place, and we face with 4. 4 is actually smaller than 5, so we directly ignore from this, and it's equal to 0.65. It's corrected to 2 decimal places. Question number 11. In question number 11, write correct to 1 decimal places. So here we count. It's equal to the first one is 0, the second one we face 0, so we directly ignore from this. The answer is 3.0. It's corrected to 1 decimal place. Question number 12 as well, we here count from left to right the decimal places. That first decimal place is 0, the second one we have 9. 9 is larger than 5, so we round up the 0 become 1. It's equal to 9.1. It's corrected to 1 decimal places. Come to question number 13 here. Question number 13 said that the speed of light is actually 292,458 meters per second. Write this speed correct. Part A, 3 significant figure. So I write here part A. In part A, 3 significant figure. We count from left to right, 1, 2, 3. we face with the fourth significant figure is 7, so 7 is larger actually than 5. We ignore from and round up, the 9 become 10. We write here 0, we have 1 plus 9 become 10, we add 0, we have 1 plus 3 plus 2 become 3, so we write 3. The rest of the number are 0. Actually we add 3. Here we have 8 digit 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 digit meters per second. So this is actually a round up to 3 significant figure. Part B said 6 significant figure. Six significant figures, so we count from left to right 6 digit 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now we face with 4. 4 is actually smaller than 5, so we directly write here it's equal to 2 9 9 7 9 2. We directly ignore from 4 and the rest of the numbers become 0 0 0 meter per second. It's actually around that correct to 6 significant figure. Come to question number 14. Question number 14 said the diameter of a human hair is given 0.0185 millimeters. Write this diameter correct to first 2 decimal place. Part B, part A. It was part B, we do not forget. So here we come to part A, and part A said that correct to 2 decimal places. We count from left to right 1 2, and now we face with 8. It's actually larger than 5, so we round up 1 to 2. It's equal to 0.02 millimeters. Actually this one correct to 2 decimal place. And part B said that 2 significant figure. We come so here we write two significant figure. We count 2 digit from non-zero or non-zero digit. So we start from here first and second. We face with 5. Actually here 5 is equal to 5. We round up 8 become 9, so it's equal to become 0.01. Instead of 8 we round up 9 millimeters. This was the solution of question number 14. Question number 16. Question number 16 said Pablo Picasso's Woman of Algiers sold and at auction in New York for actually 179,365,000 US dollar. So write this price correct to 4 significant figures. So we write here it's equal to 4 significant figure 1 2 3 4. We face with 6. 6 is larger than 5, so we round up 3 become 4. The answer is equal to 179. Instead of 3 we write 4. The rest of the number is 0 0 as well. 0 USA dollar. This is correct too. Actually, for significant figure. For significant figure. And the last one is question number 16. Question number 16 said that the distance around the equator is 40,075 kilometers. Write this distance correct to one significant figure. You know that the distance around the equator is that if you this is sphere of example Earth, this line around the Earth is called equator. The length of this actually line is or distance is 40,075 kilometers. Here we round we correct one significant figure, so here we count from left to right 1, the rest of the second one is 0, so we directly ignore and write here 4 0 0 and also the same 0 kilometers. This one is corrected to one significant figure. This exercise finished. The next exercise we will work out exercise 6 star. So do not miss the next video. Please subscribe if you are new viewer, and also please like my video and write a beautiful comment to motivate me. Thank you for watching.